Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Uh, so today we will have an online course. I'm sorry because I have things to do, and I hope you guys fine with it. Mm, we don't like explain it much. Maybe it was like five, 5 or 7 minutes, because I know you guys have another things to do also. So yeah, and I hope you guys in a good condition. Okay, and today we will study about explanation text. And here's the definition and purposes. We go to definition first. An explanation text is a written form that describes how or why something happened. It focuses on explaining process, natural events, scientific phenomena, or the step involved in a particular system. Unlike descriptive or narrative text, an explanation text does not tell a story or describe appearance. It clarifies the causes, stages, and outcomes of a process. The main goal is to help readers gain a clear logical understanding of how something works in the real world. And then the purpose of an explanation text is to deepen the reader's understanding of a phenomenon by showing the reason behind it and the order in which event occurred. Through this type of text, readers learn like how something works, for example, how electricity flows or how machine operate. And then why something happens, such as why earthquake occur or why season change. And the stage in a process, often presented from the first cause to the final effect, giving a complete picture of the phenomenon. And next. Okay, and then the next is about generic structure from the explanation text. Explanation text follow a clear structure to ensure the information is easy to follow. Like the first one is title or the topic. This part states the subject of the explanation. It should be short but specific so the reader instantly knows what process will explain. Example for like how rain happens. And then the second is the general statement. This section introduces the topic by giving basic information or context. It prepares the reader before they learn the detailed process. The example is like rain is a form of precipitation that falls from clouds when droplets become too heavy. And then the third is sequence of explanation. This is the main part of the text. The explanation is given step by step, often in a chronological order, to show how the process develops. Each step connects logically to the next so the reader can follow the flow easily. And for example, it's like heat from the sun warm the water in the ocean, rivers, and lakes. The water evaporates and rises into the air. Vapor cools and form clouds. When droplets become heavy, they fall as rain. And we go to the next part. And here's the example of explanation text. So this is I take some explanation about how volcanoes erupt. Yeah, so volcanoes erupt when hot molten rock known as magma rises to the surface of the earth inside the earth and then it melt rocks and turns them into magma. Over time, pressure builds up in the magma chamber beneath the earth crust. This pressure forces the magma to move upward. When the pressure becomes too strong to contain, the magma breaks through the crust and is released as lava, ash, and gases. The explosive release of this material is what we call a volcanic eruption. This process is a natural result of the Earth's internal heat and pressure. Yeah. So that is some one of the example for an explanation X. And yeah, I think that's enough. And we go to the last part. Right, so the last part here, the minute. So the last part here is maybe you guys want to ask some question, and I will also give you some of the homework later. So yeah, I will put some timer here. 3 minutes. 3 minutes is enough, I think, for you guys to want to ask, and I will answer. Yeah, so I will wait for 3 minutes for you guys asking. Start from now. Okay, yeah, I think that's all for the question, and I will give you some of homework. I know homework. So the homework is you guys and make a explanation text minimum uh five five or six five or five paragraph minimum. And the topic is up to you. So it's free. I don't make any topic for you guys. You guys choose the topic itself. Yeah. Mm, mm, yeah, I think that's all. You guys can uh, upload it later in the classroom. Mm, oh yeah, it, it anytime is mm, five before and press. Yeah. So that is the due of the date and the time is 25 October 2025 before my class, yeah, which is it it was next week. So you guys can collect it next week before my class. Okay? I think that's all for today. Thank you for you guys that joined my class and hope you guys have a good day Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.